for the Denver Broncos, and the Broncos have selected DaeSean Hamilton, wide receiver.
This really spells the end. Maybe it's not this year. Maybe it's down the road. Emmanuel Sanders, Demaryius Thomas. One of those guys is not going to be on the roster when we are in the 2019 NFL Draft. One of them will be gone. 2 receivers now. DaeSean Hamilton. I like this one. If you like Calvin Ridley, you should like Hamilton. They are very similar players, a little frail, but they are very good route runners, good hands. He can play the slot as well, can play outside. Got a decent enough build size-wise, just a little lean, not quite the big, bulky type receiver there. Good blocker. Not a true elite athlete, but he's a good one there. I like his toughness. He really is Calvin Ridley light for me, just a little bit heavier, so I guess that's Calvin Ridley heavier version. I like DaeSean Hamilton there. He is my number 12 receiver, number 94 overall. Doesn't fill a need, but it's good value. I could see a scenario where maybe Emmanuel Sanders does get shopped right now. And I don't think they're going to get enough value for him back in a trade because of his contract. But down the road, the Broncos, the last 3 drafts, Carlos Henderson, Courtland Sutton, and now DaeSean Hamilton, they are overhauling their wide receiver core. There's going to be some changes when we sit here in next year's NFL Draft at that wide receiver room.
All right, DaeSean Hamilton headed to the Denver Broncos at 113 overall.